Hi, fourth graders. Today in math, we are moving on to multiplication of 4 digits times 1 digit. And there's a lot of different ways you can solve multiplication problems like this. One of the ways you could do it is remembering that multiplication is like repeated addition. So I could do 4,522 5 times. I could do that plus that, and I could keep going and I could add them. I could add 5 of them. That's one way you could solve that. It's not the most efficient way, but it could get you to the right answer. Another way you could solve multiplication problems like this is with an area model. Now, the area is the space inside of a shape. And so if the problem is 1,378 times 6, I put 1,378 on one side, and on the other side I put 6, and then I split up these. Each one of these rectangles represents a place value. So here's the ones of this number, 8. Here are the tens, 70, the hundreds, 300, and then 1,000. And then what I could do is that I could multiply 6 by each one of those and then add them together. So what I would do is I would do 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 700 is 420. 6 times 300, well, I know 6 times 3 is 18, so that would be 1,800. And 6 times 1,000 is 6,000. Now what I would do is I would add all of these together to find the answer. And because I have these like this, I can just move them. Because I know if I'm adding something like this, I'm going to stack it. So let's see. 8, 6. And so my answer is 8,268. Now, there is also what we call the standard algorithm for multiplication. And an algorithm is a set of steps you take to solve a problem. They're very specific steps. First you do this, then you do this, then you do this. And so when we're doing something like this, 6,139 times 9, this should be pretty familiar to you because we've done 2 digits times 1 digit, 3 digits times 1 digit, and now all we're doing is we're adding on the thousands place, but it's the same steps. So you always start with the ones. You do 9 ones times 9, and you get 81 ones. But you can't put 81 here, and so you have to, 81 ones is the same as 8 tens and 1 1. And so we put the 1 1 here, and then we regroup the tens to go into the tens place. Then we move on to the tens place. 3 tens times 9 is 27 tens. But we have to add from before. We have to add the 8 tens from before. So 27 plus 8 is 35 tens. Can't put 35 right here, so I regroup 35 tens to be 300s, 5 tens. So now we're at 1, 5, and we regrouped. Step 3 is moving on to the hundreds. So we have 100 times 9, that would be 900s. But we have the 3 from before when we regrouped it from the 10. So 900s plus 300s is 1200s. And 1200s is the same as 1,000 and 200s. So we put the 2 here. We regroup the 1. Last step is moving on to the thousands place. So I'm just going to copy this down from before. This is just breaking it up. This is just showing what we did in the previous step. So 6,000 times 9 is 54,000, but we have that 1 from before, so we have 54,000s plus the 1,000 is 55,000s. Now, I can put the 55 here because there's no more that I have to multiply. If I did, then I would have to regroup it. Sometimes you'll have to use multiplication in a word problem. So with this one, Roy's Market sold 2,476 oranges. Anna's Market sold 3 times as many oranges as Roy's Market. How many oranges did Anna's Market sell? Those words 3 times, that would be the clue that you need to do multiplication. Now, whenever I'm doing multiplication like this, I need to rewrite the problem with the big number on top. So I'm going to do one more demonstration, and then after this one, you are going to solve them on your own. So 6 times 3 is 18. To regroup the 10. 3 times 7 is 21, plus the 1 is 22. I put the 2 here, I regroup that other 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Put the 4 here, I regroup that 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7, for 7,428. I would like you to pause the video now and to solve these 2 problems on your own. So you can try these ones out on your own. Okay, check your work, see how you did. If you made any mistakes, you can see, maybe you can find out what you did wrong. And if you are feeling ready, you can begin the workbook pages now. Good luck.